Hey, it's Ahmed here. Now in this video, I'm going to show you how to create passive income online with completely no investment. So stay tuned. Okay, so basically we have two types of passive income. When we're talking about passive income, we don't exactly mean where you're going to be doing absolutely nothing. You do have to put in some upfront work, and you do have to kind of maintain that work to keep the system flowing. So the two types of passive income we have, we've got one where you can put investment in your actual funds, your money. This could be in stocks, this could be in bonds, real estate. And then we've got the other type of passive investment where you actually put in your time. Not necessarily your money, but you put in your time, and that, once done correctly, will pay you dividends every single month. So I'm going to show you an example here of one site which I've found here. It's called developgoodhabits.com. Now basically this site is about how to create good habits to improve your life. Now what they've done here, I'm going to show you, basically they've got various ways to advertise. Now this is in essence like a blog. So what they're doing is that they're giving you tips, and at the end of the article they're going to offer you something which will actually help you improve your life. So you can see they've got AdSense here. Now this is obviously going to be paying them. If someone clicks on this particular ad, Google will actually pay the owners of this website a little commission. And you can see they've got quite a lot of articles here. They've got tons of articles, and what happens is when you've got a very successful blog like this, it's going to rank very, very well in Google. So you can see here they're going through the Google traffic method of generating traffic. Now I actually found them by looking up for green juice. So you type in green juice and you'll see that they actually have a very good affiliate offer. Now I've gone into affiliate marketing in another video which you're free to check out. But you can see here they've gone with Organifi. Now I just checked out Organifi, and they have a very good affiliate program here. So right here you can share Organifi products with your followers. They get great savings, and you get a piece of the pie. So all they have to do here is put their affiliate links. So obviously what they've done here is put a review on how good Organifi is. You could do comparisons, compare it with other different brands, and what they'll do here, let's just have a look, expand this page a bit. So here we have pretty much the full article. So if you scroll down, you can see here we've got a link straight away in the first line. And what they're saying is they're basically going over what's inside Organifi, how it affects your body, and basically why it's so good for you. So they're a pretty bad internet connection right now, so I don't know why these images aren't popping up as fast as they should. But anyhow, you can see where I'm going with this. Basically why they recommend Organifi. 3 main reasons. And again, there's another link here. Now let's just go ahead and click on this. Now let's say you got sold on the article. What this is going to do is take you to their affiliate link. You can see here at the top here. It's got a hop. So this is, if I'm not mistaken, this is a ClickBank product. So you can actually go ahead, and this is their sales page now. So basically if I was a customer looking to purchase this, it's a very good sales page, got all the reviews. Scroll down, and there we go. We have 3 options here. We've got 3 bottles, 6 bottles, or 1 bottle. So if you notice here, when you subscribe, what they're doing here is that they're going to be giving you a bottle per month. So this is something to be very, very intuitive to, is that what happens when someone hits subscribe, they will be billed monthly automatically. They'll have to physically or manually go ahead and cancel the subscription. Now, a lot of times people actually, if they're happy with the product, they'll carry on with the subscription. But you know, a lot of people actually forget about it, and they actually carry on the subscriptions regardless. So this is a very good way to get passive recurring income, where you're getting monthly income from your customers that have already been through. So you can imagine how this can exponentially grow very, very quickly for yourself if you were to get the right customer to go ahead and subscribe. Now, in essence, the way this works, this is the first way to go ahead and actually promote online passive income product. So what they've done here, you can see they've got a very intense article that explains everything that you would need to know. And here you go, they've even got recipes on how to actually use Organifi, different banana smoothies, you've got chia pudding, you've got power balls. So what they've done here is done a basic review, put their affiliate link, and they're going to get paid. Now the beauty about this is that instead of having paid traffic, they've gone the route of getting organic traffic. Now with paid traffic, you don't really have a passive income. Reason being is that if you turn off that paid traffic, whether it's Facebook or Google, your business is pretty much gone. You're not really creating much of an asset online. So this is why it's very, very important to try and get free traffic to your either blog or sales page or funnel, whichever you want to go for. And the best ways, well, the top 2 traffic methods I recommend for going, well, for free: YouTube, Facebook, obviously, and Instagram, hands down. So I would definitely go with, well, that's actually 3, not 2. But my personal favorite is actually YouTube. So, but again, it's entirely up to you. If you're not comfortable doing videos or you don't have the time to do so, you can do articles. You can actually even outsource articles. And you can even write them yourself. I always recommend trying the product you're trying to promote, because at the end of the day, if you don't actually know what you're promoting, or you don't know how it's going to, affect the customer, you might just get a bad rep, and you don't really want that when you're trying to build a business. So ideally, always good to try the product you're promoting. If you're happy with it, then you're happy to promote it. Now, I'm just going to go through a basic system of how this works. So you have your platform. Now this could be, as I said, Facebook, Google, Instagram, YouTube, Twitter, your blog, whatever. Now what you do, you go and get the traffic from one of these platforms. Ideally, I wouldn't go and try multiples. Always try and focus on one. Go straight to your product. Now, this was going to be your sales page. Now, the sales page in this particular case was right here. When we went to Organifi, they clicked straight into their affiliate link. This is their sales page. So once you go to the sales page, they have an option to buy. Now, how do they get to the sales page? Via the platform is valuable content. You either create, in this particular case, we're talking about supplements. I was looking for green juice. I found it very easily with this site. And what they did a review. You can also do comparison of brands. So if it wasn't Organifi, there might be, Holland & Barrett or some other large company. You can do a comparison and see which one fares better. And you can also create a lot of how-to content. Now, when I say how-to content, you can kind of create content on why it's important to take these supplements, what some of the ingredients do for your body, how they affect your energy levels, or maybe if you can't sleep, why they would help you sleep, etc., etc. So once you've got this valuable content, this is going to go straight to the sales page. Now, obviously there's no investment here. This is all for free. You can do this completely free online. But what I do recommend is a second step where you're actually going to capture the lead. You're going to capture the email. And the reason being is that people don't necessarily buy the first time around. They usually have to be sold probably about 5 to 7 times. I think the average is 7 times if I'm not mistaken. So the best way to do this is to what we call send them to a lead capture page or squeeze page. And what that squeeze page does, you basically give them something for free, whether it's a free article or some sort of very valuable information which entices them to give you their email. Once you've got their email, what happens is you can then guide them to the sales page. And the reason being is once you've got their email, you have got a customer that you can market to over and over again, because more than likely they will not buy the first time. So what's happening here is that you're going to get your traffic source, you go to your squeeze page. Once you've enticed them with a certain offer, a freebie, they'll go ahead and put in their email, hit submit, and from there on out, you can remarket to them over and over again. In this particular case, you've got supplements, so you know that they're interested in their health. So you can actually promote various new supplements that come out, or something that's run side by side to what they're actually looking for. And this is the power of having an email list, because you're creating an asset, and over time, once you get a large email list, you literally can make 5 to 6 figures over a weekend by simply just hitting a blast email, promoting a product that you know works well, and having the sales copy right, and you'll be surprised at how much you can make. So this is why it's very, very important to go for this particular step where you guide them to a simple squeeze page. Make sure you capture their email, and again, you can just remarket to them over and over again. There's nothing wrong with going straight to the sales page, but again, you're going to be missing out on a lot of money because, as I said before, a lot of these people will not buy the first time around, and who knows, I mean, once they've gone, you do not get them again. Whereas if you were to go through, as I said, guiding them through a squeeze page, you've got their email, and this is the power of it. You can remarket to them over and over again, and you can sell multiple products. And as long as you treat your list right, it's probably one of the best ways to make money online, even to this day. It started probably two decades ago, if not longer, and it's still very powerful today. So I hope you found value in this video. I will go more in depth on list building and the other aspects which I was talking about, but I wanted to give you a good overview on how to create a very good passive income, because in this particular case, once you go with free traffic, you literally just sit back. You don't really have to maintain very much. You have to keep an eye on, obviously, whether your affiliates have changed their links, or whether if they still promote the products which you've been writing about. That's the only thing you really have to do. But other than that, you literally can wake up with money in your pocket every single day, and as long as you promote your products correctly, you're going to be in a win-win situation here. You're going to have a very, very good digital assets that's going to be producing you income every single day. So I hope you found value in this video. If you did, please hit the subscribe button, hit the notification bell, which will tell you when our next video comes out. And thank you again for watching. If you have any questions whatsoever, please feel free to leave a comment below. We'll get back to you ASAP, and we'll see you in the next video.